Hi, welcome to Mobile Device Programming with Touchdevelop. I'm James. I'll be your host for this series of videos that will teach you the basics of mobile device programming using the Touchdevelop scripting language developed by Microsoft Research. There are two ways basically to create applications with Touchdevelop. You can create them directly on a Windows Phone app that's available from the Windows Store, or you can create them on other platforms, smartphones, tablets, desktop computers, using a web browser. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with Touchdevelop using the web browser. In this session, we're going to be using a simulated Android phone similar to a Galaxy Note 4. The application is going to work just the same in this environment as it will in other web browsers. To set up Touchdevelop, open your browser and go to www.touchdevelop.com. When the web page loads, you'll see a button here that says Launch Touchdevelop. Click on that button. And it will come here to a page where if you are already a member and have logged in, you'll have be at your hub. But just for a second, let's sign out and show you the login process. So we're going to launch Touchdevelop again, and we're going to sign in. There are four options for signing into Touchdevelop. You can either use a Microsoft account, you can use Facebook, you can use Google+, or you can use Yahoo. We're going to use Microsoft account here. It'll come to the login page for Microsoft accounts. In order to see what you're doing, you'll want to expand this a little bit. And here's where you'll log in, or if you don't have a Microsoft account and want to start one, you will click on the Sign Up Now link right there. So we're going to sign in and get started with Touchdevelop. Once you've signed in, you'll be returned to the main screen for Touchdevelop. This is called the hub. This is where all the action occurs in Touchdevelop. Let's take a quick tour through all of the features here. The first section you'll come to is My Scripts. This is where you'll see the scripts that you've been working on or that you've downloaded to look at. To open a script, you'll click on the tile for it, and you'll see that you'll have options to edit it, to run it, or to publish it, or to remove it. Clicking on the circle with the arrow pointing to your left will bring you back to the hub. The second section is tutorials. The tutorials give you access to ways to learn about more advanced programming tasks within Touchdevelop. You can select your skill level, and you can select tutorials. If you select the All Tutorials tab, it will also give you access to the online documentation for Touchdevelop. This can be very important because here you can look up how to do various things as you're creating your own scripts. You can go back to the hub, and we come down to the showcase. The showcase is where you can see scripts, applications that have been created by other people that you can then go in and look at and select and try out for yourself. For example, you can select a golf program or other kinds of games and programs. These use different levels of graphics and can show you what's possible with the graphics controls and the graphics capabilities of Touchdevelop. With that golf game, I've tried it a couple times, and while the graphics are very simple, you can actually have a little fun playing a little golf game on your phone. The last section here is the social section. In this section, we can look at the forums. The forums, you can join these and discuss what you're working on with people or ask questions about how to do certain tasks or develop certain applications. This is a way to get help from other people that are interested in learning with the Touchdevelop language just like you. And that is the basics of Touchdevelop. We're going to take a short break, and in the next segment we're going to be exploring ways that you can create programs and write your first simple program. Welcome back. In this segment, we're going to introduce you to the scripting tool for Touchdevelop and walk you through creating your first Touchdevelop program. We'll be using the Hello World program that was popularized by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie in their foundational textbook, The C Programming Language. In this segment, we're going to use a simulated Android tablet that's similar to a Google Nexus 10. As with the phone, the applications you create are going to work the same regardless of what platform you're developing them on. So once again, let's open the browser and navigate to touchdevelop.com. We'll launch Touchdevelop, and once again we'll sign in. Once we've signed in and returned to the hub, we can start creating our script. We create the Create Script by clicking on a tile that says Create Script. This will bring up this Pick a Script template. We want today to select the blank. And we're going to be really boring and name it Hello World. Once we've done that, we come to this screen, which is the screen where we're actually going to create the script. To put the information we want in, we're going to click on the Do Nothing button here. And it brings up the buttons that allow us to select functions and options and things that we can put into this program. Today we're going to select the 1, 2, 3 button and the ABC button. And that brings up this text box. Here we're going to enter the words Hello World. And then check the checkbox. Now we've given it a piece of text, we have to tell it what to do. Since we want it to display, we're going to click this button. It says Post to Wall. What that does is it instructs Touchdevelop to post the words here to the wall over here. And now we're done. This is ready to run, your first program. So we click on Run, and it compiles the script, and over here it says Hello World. Now if you've been following along on your phone, tablet, or browser, or your desktop computer, congratulations. You've created your first mobile device app. Now if you want to get more depth and more detail, you can download the book. You go to the hub and you go to Tutorials. Come down here to Teach and you select Book. The book is Touchdevelop Programming on the Go. This book is available in a number of ebook formats, so that if you have an ebook reader on your phone or tablet, you just download it and read it. Or you can do this on your desktop. If you would like a print copy of the book, you can buy it from Amazon Press or A-Press. That's all for now. Next time we're going to discuss the differences between scripting and programming so you'll understand a little bit more. And we'll create an app for you that will allow you to enter and display text. Until then, bye for now.